Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to modify and rewrite XML file. So basically, we are going to perform these three activity. We will modify one existing element, then remove one of those element which is available, and finally, we are going to add a new element. Let's see in this example. So this is our pizza party XML file. Let me open this. The first activity is we are going to change the value of this from element. So we'll change it to Monica. And second activity, we are going to remove this heading element. And finally, we are going to add a new element with tag as subject and value as party. So let's check out the code. I'm going to open this in Python idle. The first thing we need to import parse method. So from xml dot tree dot element tree import parse set dot equal to parse, then here we have to pass file name. So I'm going to copy this file name and paste it over here. First thing, we are going to read the root node. So the root element equal to dot get root. In order to verify, just print this one. And now I'm going to run this program. Yeah, so you can see we got the tag as note. So this one. Let's close this. Now the first task is I have to replace Robin by Monica. So first I have to find this from element. So how to do that? Just say root dot element find, and the tag we have to pass over here, and tag is from. So if you wanted to verify this, you just can put in the from and just run this code. You can see like we got the from tag over here. And now in order to replace value of from element, what we have to do is like element dot text equal to Monica. So this is done. If you want to verify, then what we'll do is like we'll import toString and then say XML data equal to toString and then pass root element over here. Finally going to print this XML data. Let's run and check. So over here you can see we have the new value as Monica. So first task completed. Now second task is we have to remove this element, heading element. So again, first we have to find that heading element. If you want, you can reuse this code or you can type. I'm going to type it root element find, and the tag will be heading. And I wanted to remove this, so it will be root element dot remove. So I'm going to remove this heading element from root element. All right, let's run this code. And now the modified string, we don't have heading tag over here. So that was our second task. Now third is we have to add a new element, that is the subject. So first let's create one new element, and for that we have to import element method. Then we're going to create one we have to create one subject. So let's say subject element equal to this, and we can set text subject element dot text equal to, let's say, party. All right, so we have created the subject element. Now we have to add this element to the XML file. In order to add, we have to find the index where we are going to add the new element. So we know, like, first thing is like we have to find the index of from element, and we can add the new element after this element. All right, so let's find the index. So index from, it will be list root node. So we are going to create a list with all the like nodes, and from here we are going to find the index of from node, this one. Just going to paste over here, right? So this will give me index of this from node, and then I have to add the new subject element into the root node. So it will be root dot element, and it will be insert, say, index from +1, and over here we have to pass the subject element. So this will add our subject element to the XML file. Let's run it and verify. Okay, getting error saying root node not defined. Let's check. So root node, Okay, sorry, this one was root element, not root node. Now let's run. Oh my god, again one spelling mistake. Where it is subject. Now you can see uh, the new XML file where subject element has been added over here. Now the final step, we can just create a file. So open with and say it will be new picture party.xml awp file and file dot write xml data. Let's run it. All right, now we can verify this one. So let's open into other view. Now you can see from tag we have changed from Robin to Monica, and then this heading element has been removed, and instead of that we have subject element. One is also there, and rest other are same. So quick summary of this code, what we did is, in order to change the value of any element, first you have to find that element. So in this code, first we are going to find from element, and then we are going to change the value over here. After that, once you got the element, if you want to remove it from root node, simply use root node dot remove and pass the element which you wanted to remove. Similarly, if you want to add a new element, so first you have to create it. So over here you can see we have created a subject element and set up its text value like party, and over here we have we found out the index where we wanted to add this new element. Once we had all these informations, then simply we used root node dot insert and pass the index value and like a new element over here. And these things are simply we are going to convert it into the string so that we can write into file. And this code, like simple file writing. Thank you for watching.